guys, we're on the hunt once again. Today we are going on the Daintree Rainforest tour. We're gonna go off-road, full driving, off-roading. We're gonna swim in a little freshwater river, and we're gonna see the rainforest in all of its glory. So it's gonna be pretty fun, pretty exciting, and I'm gonna take you all with me. Okay, so they do door-to-door service, which is pretty cool. So on the way to the front of our hotel to get picked up. Alexandria Lookout.
I said earlier on. You want to get right up?
Alright, back on the bus. We just went to the Daintree ice cream company. They make ice cream out of fruit, which is pretty cool. I didn't really like them, but I don't really like ice cream all that much. I did get an iced latte, and I put some ice cream in it to sweeten it up because I like a bit of ice cream in there. And yeah, it was really nice. Look at the fruit bats.
So the flying fox and the fruit bats, all they do is eat fruit. That's a small colony. Well, remember there's thousands of them. So they're down. They go down a little way.
Where are we, Jackson?
Alright.
Alright.
So we're only about 15-20 minutes.
Somewhere, hang on guys, wait, stop.
Where are we, Jackson?
Cape Tribulation, look at that, you see that? Look at that sign. Hang on, let me zoom in more.
Oh, he's zooming in, guys. Wow, the sign.
Cape Tribulation.
Cape Tribulation. Can't swim here. There's crocodiles and jellyfish that will kill you. Did you get the thumbnail? Oh yeah, this is the thumbnail, guys. So what will the crocodile do, Dad?
He would be in those mangroves over there, and if I was here, he'd be like there in a flash, because he'd be like, "Oh, you fat bastard, I'll get you." Nom 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 nom.
Yes, he would. I reckon. We're now walking along this trail. It's rather pretty. The water's right there. There was a crocodile sighting 2 weeks ago, and we just walked along the beach, so you never know, might get eaten, who knows. It's the lookout. Me neither.
Can you maybe take a picture of it?
Yeah. Holy moly, look at all the tannins. Oh, crabs, look at the little crabs. See on that? Yeah, this. Oh, yeah.
Lunch about here, we've got ice cream about here, and then this afternoon you're going to go for a cruise on the river there. Here's the Marjar Boardwalk. We've got Oliver Creek running down beside us. We're starting here. We're going into rainforest, seasonal wetland, mangroves. Again, it's just mangroves, seasonal wetland, rainforest. But we're just going to use with it. What it does, we've got the butcher's root for two reasons. One, more leaves will come up against the butcher's root, so there's more nutrient. And it's also for stability, all right? Because there's
Go to him.
And they come up this part of the world, they only live on the pandanus.
Right, we are here having lunch. I'm bloody hot. It's so hot. I'm wearing this and I'm boiling. Boiling. Yes, Mum. Mum has her fan. Jackson, how do you feel?
Sweaty.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
It's really hot.
Right, we ate our food. It was hot and sticky and there's not a lot of time. And now we're going to swim. Thank goodness.
Oh, it's so good too.
It's lovely.
You got tough feet, hey?
These fuckers.
Yep. That's nice.
This is nice. It's gone. Oh, the dragonfly's back. Yeah, there's one here too. Dragonfly. Alrighty, we are on the boat.
What a big deal.
What do you think, Jackson?
Pretty cool. I left my camera so I don't see my beauty in this one.
How do you feel about being on the boat?
I'm good. I'm not on the side where people get eaten.
How do you feel about being on the boat, Jackson?
I'm pretty scared. Hello, gorgeous. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, crocodile.
Mum, would you like to share your feelings?
Yes, I don't know what's real and what's not real, so I'm very disturbed.
All of the crocodiles are AI. Alright, there's a dead pig up there. Right there. And the crocs are trying to eat him. So we're hoping we see one. So we've just stopped at Rex Lookouts. The ocean and the mountains are pretty amazing. Pretty incredible, really. We're now at a wallaby paddock. Basically, they built this paddock for the wallabies to live without being run over by the cars over there. There's one over there, but I fear you can't see him on my camera. So, oh wait, there's lots over this bit. Anyways, I will put photos. Oh!